How to know when a reel was posted on Instagram. So if you want to know when a reel was posted on Instagram, it's actually quite very simple for us to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, let's say you open up Instagram and then you go to your Reels tab. You want to know when this Reels was posted, but then you tap the three dots option. You can see there is no option over there. Even if you go to AI info or anything, you can see there is no published date. Even if you go to comment section, you can see there isn't a way to figure it out. Now normally you can just look for the oldest comment over here. It's normally about 11 weeks, so we can assume this was published about 11 weeks ago. But if you want to find the exact date, you have to go to that person's profile page, not on the Reels tab, but on the Post tab, because if you go to the Reels tab, it will not show when this was published. But if you go to the Post tab and look for that particular reel, it will show you the date when it was published along with the time as well. So right there you can see this reel was published over there in that particular date. This way you can know when a reel was posted on Instagram. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.